Hi, I'm Nancy Bidlack, and I'm Judge Charles Joyner's daughter. And he is 100 years old now. I just got finished visiting him last week, and he's doing well. But today I wanted to tell a story of my first law lesson that I learned from him when I was 4 years old. We were taking a family trip to Niagara Falls, and he gave my two brothers and me each a little bit of money and told us that we could go into the gift shop to get a souvenir. Well, he got a little impatient because I couldn't decide what to get. Everything I saw I wanted. And so it came down to where I had to make a really quick decision, and so I said that I wanted the American flag, which was about 8 by 10 inches, and it was on a stick. And so I got up to the cash register, and I paid for the flag with the money that my dad had given me. And on the way out, I saw something that I wanted more than the flag. And it was a jack-in-the-box. And the jack-in-the-box was probably about 6 inches tall and 4 inches wide. And I took it. I just took it. And then I thought, oh, this is a problem because I'm going to have to hide it somehow. So I wrapped it up in the flag and went back out to my parents. And they said, oh, what'd you get in the souvenir shop? And I held up this wrapped up package, wrapped up with a flag, and I said, I got a flag. And they said, well, what else did you get? And I said, nothing. And they said, well, what's inside that flag? There's nothing. And they took a look and found my jack-in-the-box. And I was very fearful that I was going to be in big trouble. But my dad got down on one knee and on my level, and he kindly explained to me that what I did was a crime, that I stole something, and that I was going to have to take the punishment. There was a policeman nearby, and he told me, now I want you to go over to the policeman and tell him what you did. And of course, being 4 years old, I was crying and scared and felt very ashamed. And I went over to the policeman and told the policeman what I had done, that I had stolen a jack-in-the-box from the souvenir shop. And he said, well, young lady, then you need to come with me. And he took me back into the souvenir shop to the cashier, and he said, now you tell this lady what you did. And I told her what I had done, and she said, well then just put it back. And then they both smiled and said, you can go out to see your parents now. And I was very relieved that I didn't get more trouble than that, but that was so scary for me that I learned a very valuable lesson.